Hi guys, this one is called Climb the Ladder. Now the materials you need for this one is a 6-foot ladder and 12 sock balls. You also need a bottle that you're going to make climb up the ladder. Now this one is not a race, so you don't need to rush through the 1 minute. However, you're keeping track of your score, how many times, how many throws it takes to knock the bottle over. So you've got 10 feet and 15 foot option for if you want to adapt this game. You can do a 5 foot or as close as you want. It's totally up to you guys. And you're going to take your shot 3 down. That one would have knocked over. So once it knocks over, you're going to move it up the ladder. So that one took me 3, 4, and so on, all the way until it's at the top. You're keeping track of your score. Missed. Go on, it's wobbling. Oh, and you get the idea. So you keep track of how many throws it took until you knock that top one off.